How to buy Bitcoin on IQ option app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to buy Bitcoin on your IQ option account. So first thing we do, we go to IQ option right here, as you can see. Now you go and click here on this add icon, click on it and then choose you need to go to crypto right here, click on crypto and then click on Bitcoin, the first choice. If you didn't find it here, just click here and search for it like this and then click search and you will find it. Click on it like this and then go to buy right here and click buy and everything will be done. That's it for today's video guys. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.